Good morning everyone, my name is Farah Hanis. Today I will be presenting a case study on Amazon Logistic or AMZL, a subsidiary of Amazon that has revolutionized the logistic industry through innovation. In an era where e-commerce is driving global economic growth, efficient logistics is critical for maintaining a competitive edge. Amazon Logistic exemplify this by leveraging advanced technology to streamline operation, enhance customer satisfaction, and reduce costs. However, despite its achievement, Amazon faces challenges related to the last mile delivery inefficiencies, sustainability, and workforce welfare. My presentation will be focused on these challenges and propose innovative solutions to address them. Now, I will talk about the case background of the Amazon Logistic. Amazon Logistic was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos as an online bookstore and has since evolved into one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms. To reduce reliance on external carriers like FedEx and UPS, Amazon launched Amazon Logistic to manage its delivery system. Amazon delivers billions of packages annually using services such as Prime's delivery, Amazon Flex gives drivers autonomous robots like Scouts and fulfillment centers. However, Amazon Logistics faces stiff competition from logistic giants like FedEx and DHL. What sets Amazon apart is its full control over the supply chain and integration of cutting-edge technologies despite every step. Despite these strange challenges such as high last mile delivery costs, environmental concerns, and labor issues persist. The next one is I will talk about problem identification, which is problem and theoretical framework. Amazon Logistics face 4 core challenges. The first one is last mile inefficiencies. So the last mile delivery account for over 50% of total fulfillment costs due factors like traffic congestion in urban areas and low parcel density in rural areas. The second one is high operational costs. Same day and one day delivery expectations have increased resource demand and reduced profit margins. The third one is labor issues. Programs like Amazon Flex has faced criticism for inconsistent pay structure and lack of benefits for gig workers. The last one is environmental sustainability. As e-commerce grows, so does Amazon carbon footprint. To address these challenges, we can apply several innovation theories, which is the first one is disruptive innovation. We can the building proprietary shipping infrastructure disrupted traditional logistic models. The next one is open innovation. Programs like Amazon Flex leverage external gigs drivers to expand capacity. Plus, the next one is blue ocean strategy. Innovation like drone delivery create uncontested market space. And the next one is lean innovation. AI-driven route optimization reduce waste and improve efficiency. Next, I will talk about solution. So for the to overcome these challenges, I propose the following solution. The first one is phase roll out the autonomous vehicle and drones, gradually introduce self-driving delivery vehicle and drone to urban areas to reduce last mile inefficiencies while addressing public safety concern. The next one is pilot program for electric fleets. Test electric vehicle in dense urban zone to assess their feasibility and environmental impact before broader adoption. The third one is improving labor condition. Offer flexible benefits such as health insurance and education support for gig workers while using wearable technology to enhance driver safety and performance tracking. The next one is green partnership. By I say green partnership, it means that collaborate with green tech firm and smart city developers to integrate sustainable practice into logistic operation. The next one is AI-based forecasting system. Use AI to predict order surges, optimize warehouse inventory management, and automate decision making in real life. The next one is recommendation and challenges. For recommendation and challenges, to implement this solution effectively, I recommend a balanced approach that combines technological advancement with ethical labor practices. For example, start with small-scale pilot programs for EVs and drones to test feasibility before scaling up operations. The next one is we can build partnership with green tech companies to accelerate sustainability initiative. Next, continuously monitor global logistic trends to stay ahead of competitors also can help. However, there are challenges such as regulatory restriction on autonomous vehicle, high upfront investment costs for EVs and drones, and also potential public backlash towards increased automation. For the conclusion, Amazon Logistic has redefined supply chain management through innovation, but must address emerging concern around cost management, so that sustainability and workforce welfare. A balanced approach that integrates cutting-edge technology with ethical labor practice will ensure long-term success. By implementing this proposed solution while navigating challenges strategically, Amazon Logistics can maintain its leadership in the logistics industry while fostering sustainable growth. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question. Thank you.